Are you looking for the best cordless hammer drills in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best cordless hammer drills that are available on the market. If this video is helpful for you, please like, comment and press the subscribe and bell button. Okay, let's start the video. Starting at number 5, we have the DEWALT DCD950KX. This DEWALT drill is a compact unit, measuring a mere 9 by 6 by 15 inches, making it highly comfortable to work with. The 3-speed cordless hammer drill is a great pick for someone who wants it all. This DEWALT drill is best in class for better control and balance, and its extended runtime batteries provide a long battery life, allowing you to work for longer and finish your projects uninterrupted. It also has a self-tightening 1/2-inch chuck and 22 different clutch settings, meaning there's almost no project it can't tackle. The drill delivers high power of 450 units of max power. Additionally, the drill features an LED work light, which is perfect if you'll be working in dimly lit, confined spaces. Finally, the DEWALT comes with a lot of extras, including a 3-year warranty and a 90-day money-back guarantee. Moving on at number 4, we have the Ryobi P1813 One Plus. This Ryobi kit offers it all: a drill, a battery charger and a flexible bag for storage. The drill itself provides up to 750 pounds of torque, which will allow you to work even with very tough materials. The hammer drill has a 24-position clutch and 3 different speed settings. All of that power is packed into a relatively small and light drill, weighing only 3 pounds, so you can work for extended periods of time without discomfort or having to take a break due to fatigue. The inbuilt magnetic bit holder will come in handy while you're working. The drill has also been designed for ease of use, and is covered in rubber coatings to ensure a firm and steady grip, no matter what the conditions are. The 18-volt battery will help you power through whatever job is at hand: wood, steel or stone. At number 3, we have the DEWALT DCD950B. This 3-speed cordless hammer drill is a great pick for someone who wants it all. This DEWALT drill is best in class for better control and balance, and its extended runtime batteries provide long battery life, which makes working with it so much more convenient. It also has a self-tightening 1/2-inch chuck and 22 different clutch settings, meaning there's almost no project it can't tackle. The drill delivers high power of 450 units of max power, without unnecessary weight. The drill weighs in at just under 4 pounds. Without the battery, which takes the strain off your wrists that other heavier drills can cause. Additionally, the drill features an LED work light, which is perfect if you'll be working in dimly lit, confined spaces. At number 2, we have the Makita XPH07TB. Winning our nomination for Best All-Around Cordless Hammer Drill, this 18-volt drill is powered by a lithium-ion battery and brushless motor. The brushless motor affords a longer run time and overall tool life, while delivering higher speeds and power than others in its class. There are 2 18-volt 5.0Ah batteries included with the purchase of the drill, as well as a battery charging pack, which delivers a pretty quick recharge time of only 40 minutes. This means you can get more done in a shorter amount of time. This drill can deliver 1,090 pounds of torque, making it a good option for any job that you'll face. At almost 6 pounds, it's one of the heavier drills we've selected, but its weight packs a punch. And finally at number 1, we have the DEWALT DCK299P2 Hammer Drill and Impact Driver Combo Kit. The DEWALT DCK299P2 Tool Combo Kit is the best toolkit for you if you're looking for multiple applications. The kit features a brushless hammer drill and an impact driver, both of which are very comfortable to use. Thanks to their very compact dimensions, you'll be able to work even in the most cramped of spaces. The hammer drill is a high-performance, 3-speed drill, which ranges up to a whopping 2,000 RPM. The XR high-capacity batteries ensure a long runtime.
Its performance makes it the best option for drilling through concrete, as the impact driver provides 1,825 N/lb of torque. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like the video. If the video is helpful for you, please like, comment and share to your friend. Then don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.